Hi guys, what else we can make without pattern besides this very worn dress, over top dress? If you click on the top, and besides this nice beautiful nightie, what we make already, if a white line pop up in a second above this, my token on the top of screen, if you click on it, it will take you to another videos exactly how to make each one. But what else we can make besides that? Let's go to that dress which is you see on the thumbnail, and I will explain to you how to make that. Okay guys, one more nightie slash house dress what I showed to you. This one make for flannel. I already told you in one video how to choose flannel right, what it will be not poison to your body. And which video it was, I forgot, but I will place it right above my token. If you can click on it, you will know that. And well, as you can see, it was not enough fabric to make whole nightie. What I did, I combined it and it's get some decor going on and make a little bit longer sleeves. As you can see, it's mean I added before I pre-cut, I added a little bit more width here. What I can come up with a different cut on a sleeve, much longer sleeve. This one almost to my elbow because it's meant to keep me warm, and it's come up as cute as a button. What people said, yeah, I don't know why it says as cute as a button, but I kind of like it. And of course I have a few more of them, but every year I will come up with one more because they do worn out. And well, this is something what you can drop for weekend. You have grandkids around or kids, and it just, you can sleep in it, be cozy, and you can jump out and get to the kitchen and you look decent. If a neighbor delivers something to your door or mailman, you still look decent for it. And well, you can drink coffee on your porch and still look decent in it. And that's what I want to put you through. What unique stuff do not come up with too much expenses or too much effort. Beginners can handle it. Yes, beginners can handle it. Thank you guys. Okay guys, what else we can make without pattern at all? The same way like we make that nightie. These two house dresses, winter house dresses, what I'm showing to you right now. Well, you can see the same principle. The same principle is made, and no seams over there nowhere, except that side seam and shoulder seam. And in my case, even it's no shoulder seam because I absolutely just cut it on a fold on the shoulders, and principles is the same. As you can see, little lace, vintage lace on a round neckline and pockets, because it's just a house dress, but it's so comfortable because it's flannel. It's a flannel. It's so comfortable. It's lasts, and in a washing, and of course because of lace you turn inside out. Practically everything you wash turn inside out. And lacy stuff, I do suggest even decorative lace like that, partly lace, always put on a delicate. And it's in that case it's going to be with you for a while. And as you can see, so simple to make, so simple. And even your simple dress like weekender or whatever, just rest dress, don't have to be ugly. You can add little details to it, and it's make difference in the world. If you're not wearing this kind of stuff like house dresses, you living your life in pajamas, well, make it for somebody who does. Make it for your mom, make it for your grandma, for your aunt, for the older sister. I'm positive they're gonna love you to death for the using no pattern at all, as simple as possible. Besides that nightie what I showed you already in another video, and besides this beautiful dress what you already see on my thumbnail, and very easy, the same way what we did nightie, but it's a totally wearable dress. It can be house dress, can be party dress, depend what fabric you put in. Okay, and again, this kind of free pattern, it's actually looking good on everybody, believe it or not. It's good from skinny people to medium size, normal size, and even heavyweight people. That's what's good about this pattern. But of course, it's not something to make with long sleeves. It's only something to wear with short sleeves. What else we can make out of it? How about this nice, beautiful pool cover dress? What I make for myself a while ago, pretty wild. Remember before pandemic, we had a life, and part of my life was going to pool to exercise myself, try to lose weight, and that's what it was for, because it's so hard when you wet and after shower to put all these pants on you, anything, and just to throw dress over and walk out like that out of gym, that was perfect for me. And the same pattern, as you can see, free cut, absolutely free cut, and I kind of make it nice and cute. It's very summery, and of course for fall time, and I had a longer dress. That's another way to, someday I will show to you. But for summer, short and nice, that real short and nice cover for your swimming pool. And for swimming pool trips, if you're privileged to have one. I cannot go anywhere now. And well, I even make this little hoodie to go with that. And it's not permanent. It's not permanent. You can just snap it out. It's on the air loops. A video how to make air loops for air loops already on my channel. Subscribe or just push on my name of channel. You see that word perfect. Push on that word below with this video, and it will take you to line of my channel. Scroll it down, and I'm sure you can find a video how to make air loops. That's what I make. I just put little buttons like that along the neck line of the dress, and air loops on the hood, and that's how it's hooking together. It's mean I can, hood was optional, because when I walking out of swimming after swimming and showering, my hair is wet, and I'm old woman. I need to cover my ears, because I always have balance problems in my ears if I don't know. Well, that's why that was hood was for. But actually this dress can be worn like that, just like a beach dress without any hood. What else we can make it? How about if you have some materials you inherited from somebody, and it's actually not enough to make a dress. Look at that. That was a heavy cotton, what I make. It's kind of like, it's just a house dress. That's all what it is. And I had different materials, which is, I don't want to throw out, because it's still beautiful materials, but I like to make some piece like that, and that's what I did. I put the trims on leg line, trims on sleeves, pockets, like that, and because it was not enough to make full-length dress, I add this piece right here. And you think it's something crazy, but actually when I'm wearing it, everybody like it. And of course I will never wear something like that outside home, only in own yard, but still it's doable. Okay guys, what else we can make from that, from point? No pattern at all. Again, to this video I'm attaching one in details how I make a simple nightie, just a nightgown from without pattern at all, and you use the same, whenever I'm showing to you in these video pieces, you use the same principle to make these pieces. No pattern at all involved, and you can make anything from very casual wear using this method, or up to formal wear, depend on material. It depends on material. And well, this is another piece I make the same way, and it's a top, as you can see. Beautiful top, just like this one, and my husband called it, this is the back of it, this is front of it, a little bit bigger hole right here, and forehead. And well, my husband calls this top back to Africa top, and quite few outfits of mine he called back to Africa, because I love African patterns, African materials. Most of industrial wheat materials come in between 58 to 61 inch wheat, and fabrics what you can buy, not industrial wheat, regular wheat in the fabric stores, it's usually come in a roll, which is weight of it 39 inches, 39 and a half to 42 inches half. African fabrics, cottons come in about 44 inches, a little bit wider, and that's exactly what I use here. Beautiful, it's upgraded rayon, and guess what? I got in thrift store like 3 yards of this material for I believe like under $4 and a while ago, and I love it. I absolutely weight of it, it's weightless, absolutely weightless. Look, when you get when you travel, or you just storage in your place before you wear in off season, You just roll the top like that, and look what you end up. You end up with nothing. You end up practically, you can fit in your hand this piece, and it's so light. Absolutely. So many colors in it. You can wear with so many stuff, and I prefer to wear with dark beige, like caprice, and that's my summer outfit. And look, it's exactly the same what I explained to you. No pattern at all how to do that. And by the way, one more dress I have made from old rayon skirt in my videos. I make the same way without any patterns, just how to make dress from skirt. Find on my channel. And well, I'm attaching all this to the end of this video. You can click on it, or you can those white lines what going right across my talking above it. You can click on those; it will take you to same videos. And well, that's what I make my point. What it is. It's take me, because my overlock machine and the straight stitch stays side by side, take me about 25 minutes, half hour top from beginning to end to make this kind of garment. For you, even if you sew, probably will take an hour. If you don't sew, you're just beginner, it's still under 2 hours you can make it, and it's going to be head turner like every one of those pieces for me. And it's all depend on the fabric. I'll try to find material, and that's the reason why I am showing to you this particular top, because it's how special I work around original border on the fabric. Most of borders of materials, this is what you buy in a store. This is a roll. That's how fabric going. This is the edge of it. And that's how fabric come in from the bolt, okay? And most of borders come going along edge of that bolt material rolled off roll of fabric in the store. Along, not across, not along width, across width. This is a width, and border usually goes this way. Sometime, like in this African materials, this border is going totally along width, which will be across of length of bolt fabric, what you buying. And that's exactly what it was. This particular material came, was one line going along fabric. That was another border, very beautiful, a little bit more narrow, but much more colorful, as you can see. Oh, come on. Try to open this one, come on. And try to make my videos as short as possible, never works that way. This was another border going like that, and then another one going like that, and so on. And when I saw that, I fell in love with it right away, because it's so rare to see those kind of border. And I decided to make sure what my border, my head hole go right in the middle of that border, which is going along with across of length of material. And in this case, I can keep all weight as possible. As you can see, I did not even put nothing in the hem, because I like to see every border as much as I can. And it's gave me longer sleeve as usual. I will do with this kind of no pattern cut, a little bit longer sleeve. It's go below my elbow, but it's good coverage for summer against sun. And because it's so light, no hem even here at all. It's so light. It's just totally just beautiful for a summer outfit. And that's exactly what I try to put you through. What you learn this stuff, and you can make this stuff so easy, and it's really don't take much, and it's your best therapy, and it can ease your life, and it will bright up your life. You will have you will dress up so much better. And if you're a woman, you should be worried about it, because stuff like that you cannot get going by in the Target. But again, it's going to take you short and probably to make that. Of course, you can find, you have to spend some time to find material. I suggest online shopping, because it is a lot of state fabrics there, and women dying one by one like me who sew, and young people who inherited those material have very little clue what to do with that. There's plenty there out over there. Just